All right, so got some of our parts here. Do a little unboxing on my throwing axe. Let's see how this goes. So exciting. Oh yeah, typically, as Rock Auto does, box inside a box. But this is what I'm looking for. Right there. I hope I don't got that on. I'll have to go on my wall. I actually like the box in box because then it gives me a spare box to do stuff with. Let's see what we got going on here. A mega box? I guess that's why they put a box in a box. I knew what this was. Alright. That is the engine motor mount for 2014 Nissan Versa. That axle I showed earlier, we redeemed that today. I'd like to make a video. It's one of those jobs that it's gonna be some gratuitous drinking of beer. So I don't know if I'll end up making a video, but I'll try. I mean, at least for the motor mount. I got another job where I'll be doing an axle, so I'll make a proper video for that. Nice quality part. I'm happy. Happy it came. The guy's picking me up in about 2 hours. We were just gonna do the axle, but now we can do the motor mount. I already did the transmission under mount. Yeah, kitty, what? You crying? What? You want water? Okay. All right, boys. Just a short video. Have a good one. Love you all, and I'll keep you updated. I was watching that video and I realized I didn't really show you the part that good. This mounts to the frame here. This goes to your engine. This is molded rubber. There. This absorbs your engine vibrations. Not the strongest thing in the world, but the other one had cracking all. You can see the rubber was separating and stuff. So there you go. Let's see what I got on my fridge of Rock Auto. No, similar paint scheme. No. Yeah, I put all my Pontiacs up there. My girls. Oh, beauty. Oh, I got two of that one. I guess that's why that one's up there. Well, let's put that one right there. Beauty. You got more Rock Auto parts coming. I really love these guys. Shipping's great. Says it was going to be here by Thursday. I think it's Wednesday. Axle came yesterday, which was Tuesday. Great company. I don't get paid by them.